The 2027 Suzuki RM-Z250 is finally here, and while it isn't an all-new generation, Suzuki has delivered the kind of updates motocross riders have been asking for. From revised suspension to smarter electronics and improved race-ready components, this could be the most refined RM-Z250 in years. So, what exactly is new? Let's find out. Starting with the styling, the RM-Z250 keeps Suzuki's iconic champion yellow color but now features fresh factory-inspired graphics that give it a cleaner and more aggressive appearance. It still has that unmistakable Suzuki identity, but now it looks even more race-ready straight from the showroom. One of the biggest improvements comes from the suspension. Suzuki has updated the KYB front fork and rear shock settings to provide better balance, improved cornering stability, and more confidence over rough terrain. Whether you're charging through deep ruts or landing big jumps, the revised setup is designed to deliver more predictable handling and better rider feedback. Power still comes from Suzuki's proven 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled DOHC single-cylinder engine with fuel injection. While the engine platform remains familiar, Suzuki has refined the overall package with updates to the intake, exhaust, and engine calibration to deliver smoother throttle response and stronger, more controllable power across the rev range. It's built to help riders accelerate harder while maintaining excellent control on challenging tracks. Technology also gets a welcome boost. The new Suzuki MX-Tuner 4.0 allows riders to add just engine mapping directly from a smartphone, making trackside tuning quicker and easier than ever. The RM-Z250 also continues to feature Suzuki Holeshot Assist Control, giving riders a better chance of getting the perfect launch off the starting gate. Suzuki also equips the 2027 RM-Z250 with durable RK Excel rims and Dunlop Geomax MX34 tires, providing excellent traction and durability in a wide range of track conditions. Combined with the updated chassis setup, the bike feels more capable and race-focused than before. So, is this the update riders have been waiting for? While it may not be a completely redesigned motocross machine, the improvements target the areas that matter most: handling, technology, and overall rideability. For riders looking for a competitive 250 motocross bike with proven reliability, the 2027 Suzuki RM-Z250 deserves a serious look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you choose the new RM-Z250 over the Honda CRF250R, Yamaha YZ250F, Kawasaki KX250, or KTM 250 SXF? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.